Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll learn how to change nav tabs in desktop to select drop down for a mobile responsive. So let's get started. For this, I'm using VS Code as my code editor and opening a new HTML. Put some dummy HTML template. So for this, I'm using Bootstrap. So git bootstrap.com. I'll use nav tabs from Bootstrap. So copy this style from here and paste it next to title and copy the JavaScript for this and paste it inside body content. And let's go to docs and go to components, then nav and tabs. So for this, I'm taking this nav tab template. So copy this and before that, I'm creating div with the name, class name, container, another div with the class name row, and another with the class name column 12. So these are all Bootstrap default classes for structuring. I'm pasting the nav tabs here and save it and run it in local. See, now the tabs appearing here and inside content. Stacking this one side by side, then only you can see the live updates. I'm changing this content so that you can see whether the content is changing or not. So this is content for home tab, content for profile tab, and next one is content for contact tab. Saving this and you can see the changes here. So I need some more spaces between this line and the tabs. So I'm adding PT4, that is padding top, and padding for here also. So see, now it is looking good and nice. So now in mobile version, it is looking as same, but we want a drop down kind of, and inside the drop down menu, we need all this menu inside. For that, I am adding one div here with the name drop down and closing this div here, aligning this and adding one button in the class button primary, and inside I'm adding home. So now you can see one button here. We need to change this one into a drop down. So I am adding the data bs toggle as drop down, and I'm adding one class also here. So these are all Bootstrap classes, and so according to Bootstrap standard, I changed this button into a drop down. So I'm saving this. Now you can see the drop down, and in desktop version also you can see the same, but we need this one in mobile view only, not in desktop. So I'm adding one style sheet, style.css, and importing that file inside here. Link of CSS. So style, it is updating automatically. Yeah. So now it has been added. So I'm for drop down of drop down toggle set to be display none. So it has been hidden, and now we need to change this one according to, now this one's position is absolute, we need to change it to uh, relative. So same, drop down of drop down menu to position relative and padding 0. So after applied the styles, you can see, but we don't want this border for the nav tab. For that, border width, top is 0, right is 0, bottom we want it's 1 pixel, and left is 0. So now it is looking like the same in Bootstrap, default one. So if you go to a mobile version, you can see that button is set to be hidden because we added the display none here, but we want that button here in mobile. So we wrap this one inside a media query, min width set to 990 pixel. I'm saving this, and now you can see that button here, and in desktop version you can't see that. So the styles applied only for the desktop version, not in mobile version. So for mobile version, we need to add one more style. So that is, uh, we don't want this menu displaying upfront in mobile screen. So first we need to add one media query for uh, mobile devices or lower resolutions. Media query all and max width 990 pixel. So this drop down menu, this should be display none, and it should not be displaying upfront. So drop down of drop down menu set to be display none. So it is not displayed here, and the drop down, when I click it here, it is not opening. So for that we need to add one more style, drop down of drop down toggle if it show drop down menu should be display block. Yeah, so I'm saving this. Now you can see the drop down menu, and if I change the select this home option, the home content is coming, and profile content is coming, and contact content is coming. And if you go to the desktop version, it is like a normal tabs, and in mobile version it is a drop down. But the thing is, when I change this tab here, the button is not updated. Whenever I clicking this button also should be updated. So I'm adding one script file for this. So new file script.js, and adding that script here. Script of source script.js. So I added here, and if you go to script.js, first we need to select that drop down menu. So drop down menu off. So we need to get the clicking on functionality from this menu. So its class is nav link. I'm copying this and paste it here. So on clicking on this link, so I'm opening a function. This is arrow function. So after clicking on this, I need to change this button's label. So you need to select that button, drop down toggle dot HTML. So after clicking this nav link, we need to update this drop down toggles label. I'm adding one event here. So here event dot target dot inner HTML. So when I clicking on this nav link, that is this nav menu, it will take that event, and uh, it will apply for the drop down toggles HTML. So I'm saving this. Once it get refresh, so when I'm changing this to profile, you can see that the button is updated and it gets through the profile tab. And if I change to contact, it will go to the contact tab. This is for mobile version. So if I go to the desktop version, you can see a normal tabs, and in mobile version you can see this uh, drop down version. So this is all, guys. I hope you all now understand how to change the nav tabs to a drop down for a mobile responsive, and we'll meet you on the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, thank you, guys. Bye.